know a new construction site this how we start out there at name.
Officer, could you release me just fire shots on me? You could see it.
If Rome was a poor Sunday, man. Watch.
It's left and drive business now work in Kingston.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Yeah, well, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Blessed manners and respect to each and every one. My people, me Dancehall skilla, I do not doubt anyone. I rather observe for a while and try to get an understanding of how the person might be. So, me or a person says some words in a video, and if what the person was saying in the video are true, then I would like to encourage the person to do anything that the person decides to do in the proper and the right way. Because some things I'm sitting on a piece of land in the video, my people, I kind of doubt the strength I want to see. You see what I said? Listen to what the person said in this video about new gas station. Listen.
You know, morning my people jam down, you know, Alpha Construction and you know a new construction site this how we start out there at name. The new gas station for Easter and St. Thomas. And you know it we are dealing with Peter right now, just couple window to put in and door. Cause done, you know. A party are done, you know, so stop we are trying to deal with it now naturally. So the building that the new gas station we want to make. You know, when they come on to us, I ain't over them place their house. But this is the business for the people of St. Thomas, you know. Tavern gas station. So, you know why this, you know, night we are doing, night we come for this. Some morning people with our work said we.
My people, if what the person is saying are true, and if that the person really decides that the person I do, then they're sitting there. When we see, them not look safe to me. And that's my opinion. Them not look safe to me. But me not doubt a person. No, me not doubt a person. It's just that anything where someone do, just do it in the proper way. Safety first. Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think, my people. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, when it comes down to some things that are being said about school buses within the country of Jamaica, I don't know how I never even think about this. See? My people, I wonder on which side of the motor vehicle or on which side of the school bus door there. I also wonder where the driver is going to drive the motor vehicle. Is it on the left or on the right? My people, I want to listen to some words that a person said in this video pertaining to school bus. The video recorded within the country of Jamaica. However, I'm not able to confirm if some words that the person said in the video are accurate, but I would like you to at least look at the video and tell me on which side of a school bus that I can see in the video door there. Which part of thing door there? Pan that the motor vehicle there. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Just something a while ago, brother. One of the bus them mash up the bus and little baby mother there. You actually have to be mother to rot in. Jesus Christ. Live people. This left and drive business now work in Kingston. Oh my. So this labor that them bring coming out of the country. It's not work out. It's not working out at all. Jamaican people, wise up. This government to play politics.
School bus. School children. School bus for school children. Look what they do there. It is our duty as adults to protect each and every children. Every one of them, we to protect. See? Look on the school bus. Now, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that's going to show some things that happened when a person, one injured person called officer, in at least one of these pieces of videos, was holding on to part of a type of clothes that the injured person was wearing. The person who you can see in these pieces of videos wearing a type of uniform, or at least one law enforcer, responded to what I'm going to call an allegation, information pertaining to the injured person. However, I got the understanding that the injured person was denying at least one thing. Based on some words said in at least one of those pieces of videos by the injured person, I got the understanding that someone had been asked for, and the injured person asked who is, and mentioned what seems to be, or I assume to be, a type of name. Now, even though I'm not able to confirm certain information about the situation, like where those pieces of videos have been recorded and why the person who was wearing a type of uniform held on to at least one part of the person's clothes that the injured person was wearing, I wonder, what if the injured person was not telling any lie? Please bear in mind that at least one of these pieces of videos shows what looks like blood at least one spot. You can also leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let me know if you believe or if you do not believe what the injured person was saying in those pieces of videos that I'm about to present to you. Some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me.
Officer, could you release me? Just fire shots at me. You could see it. I don't know, he's refusing to say his name. Hello. Who is Octo? I don't know who is Octo. These guys came in with their shotguns. Look, understand.
We didn't even leave the element shopping. We're not going to leave it without you.
Hello. Hello. I never tell nobody. You listen. I said I was giving this guy Pakutla. He said he want to damage my house. He want to crush my house. He called these guys, they're calling him Bradley. He said he calling his boys. Look, his boys. His boys come and they shoot. I am not, he's refusing to tell me his name. There's people looking around. I don't know, my lawyer asking, that's what my lawyer tell me one night. So, release me. You cannot tell me you don't have no paper, no right, nothing, so I don't want to Who that one? What you say? Who this say? What you're saying again? Roosters coming later to come and eat. At my home they're cooling out and sick leave, doctor. Watch what they come and do me there. Up the night, can't tell me my name. And my farm. I have plenty my garden, my pumpkin and my stuff. So, yeah, the officers can lend. What happened? The officer can lend my cutlass? You know my friendship with my officers. What happened? He can't come and lend my cutlass? Who are you going to chop? Since when I live in Eric Bradley Park, I grew up here. I never chopped Bradley. Today I go to chop him. Look them. Liars. Not you. I don't know what report, whatever report you get, bossman, but you came in a hurry and fire your gun.
Move that phone from my face. I warn you.
No, but you have me and with you. Well, release me. You could get on my hands, my pants, please. You in my house. My name is Onel Meshari. You looking for Octo? I don't know who is Octo. Hello, could you drop me? You in white and blue. What's your name, sir? Hello, what's your name? You're my resident.
What made the person look at the person? What made the person in that type of uniform and look in the direction of that person in such a way? So that made me wonder if certain things that was said are accurate. It makes me wonder. Because me hear the person say some words in the video, and what if? What if? Who there in a problem? Oh, I didn't get specific details to determine how the person exactly had been injured, even though me and the person said some words in the video, but must I point out that. I'm going to move on to another topic. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person walking in a way that, in my point of view, do not look normal. No, don't look normal. I assume as to why the person was walking that way. However, I'm not able to confirm why the person was walking that way. Yeah, even though me or a person says some words in the video that I'm about to present to you, I am not able to confirm why that person was walking in such a way. Oh, the person also fall too. And where the person fall in my point of view, I think it was dangerous. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Oh, if Rome was a person, that is him. If Rome was a person, that is him. Watch. If wait, take what? Oh, get up. If Rome was a person, if Grenada nice. If Rome was a person, that would have been him. Oh gosh, yeah, come on. Come on, bro. It happened to my, don't let him go in, go back in, yeah? If Rome was a person, that is him. You drink so much rum. You put him lie down, yeah.
Oh my. My people, I am not able to confirm if some words that a person said in the video are accurate or even true, pertaining to why the person was walking like that. You know what I'm saying? We may never know what that person might have been going through. So a video had been brought to my attention that the police was conducting a search. But when I look at the video carefully, viewers and subscribers, I think that it might be more than just a search, viewers and subscribers, because when I look at the video, me notice me see a motor vehicle with doors open and the motor vehicle of a certain color. Me see another motor vehicle behind that motor vehicle, and me see one motor vehicle somewhat a little distance but in front of the motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. And there was, well, the video shows at least 2 persons who had been ordered by police or law enforcers to lay face down on a type of pavement or road. So when we look at the video with people, in my point of view, yes, police did search, our law enforcers did search, but I think that there might be more to the situation than the information we get. You see what I'm saying? But anyways, let me present the video to you so that you can have a better understanding for yourself. I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video will be recorded, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
We fucking no witness in here, though. Yeah, but how do you see the other Jeep, the ski and where turn around back this, you know? So if I get out there smoking out too? Beer big guns over here. I thought what he asked you, man, you should get pressure, boy, but problem. I wanna do.
But people, in my point of view, I think that whatsoever that was might be about more than just a search. Might be. You see me? Look at how the whole situation look. I mean, the treatment in my point of view look kind of rough. Eh? Well, anyways, I didn't get any information to determine what exactly might have caused that situation. You know, leave your comment or comments, let me know what I think might have caused that. And I think here's how I'm going to leave it. And also, big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. And until the next time, I'm in your Dancehall skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.